The two workshops, one of which is looks at psychiatric genomics, so the genomics of various psychiatric conditions, and the possible sort of policy issues, treatment issues, healthcare issues around developments in that area.
The workshop that CESAGEN is running at the conference will comprise of a senior social scientist who can give a really authoritative account of where the field is going. I will be offering my social science story about some of the obstacles, some of the promises, and some of the pitfalls of the field.
This is a panel thinking about how we might use science for sustainability. And in that, I will be talking about some of the work that we've been doing in the plant genomics and the bioeconomy workstream, really pulling out some of the findings that have emerged through the workshops and activities that we've been running over the past few years, as we're trying to now think about how we might frame this in a policy relevant way. At the session, one of the things that we're trying to do with this work is reframe some of the debates that are going on around plant biotechnology and some of the global challenges that we're facing. So I hope that it will be quite a provocative session in a way, and that it will stimulate further comment and discussion and dialogue over the course of the conference and then more generally into the future.
The first is a session called Convergent Technologies, where we're going to be looking at how nanotechnology and synthetic biology are beginning to come together. We'll also be looking at the designing of life, issues around the designing of life.
Well, the closing debate is very important to us because the OECD itself has a working party on biotechnology which really sets their kind of agenda for the policy work that they're going to do in this area.
Well, the Working Party on Biotechnology is the OECD's premier policy group on making decisions around the policy environment for the development of innovation in the life sciences. They will be meeting back to back immediately after the conference in December. And the magic of the conference comes from having the social scientists work together with the policymakers from the Working Party and allow the Working Party real access to a much broader cadre of social scientists would normally be the case. So it's vital for the success of this experiment that the Working Party and biotechnology members attend in numbers.
Our meeting is happening immediately before a meeting at the OECD of this Working Party on Biotechnology. So the closing session is designed to be a kind of bridge between those two things, so that it's going to be based on that kind of US idea of a town hall meeting where you have somebody who's got a kind of overview, or in fact 3 or 4 people who've got a kind of overview who are on stage and responding to questions from the audience, but really people bringing up issues that have arisen over the 2 days of the conference. So you could imagine people wanting to talk about biodigital futures and the convergence between information technology and genomic information. So what are the issues that are going to come out of that? What are the business opportunities? What are the regulatory concerns? And then this session will discuss those issues, and we hope identify critical elements that will need to be discussed by the Working Party itself in the next couple of days, so that they will have a different experience, bring different ideas and notions to that than they would have done had they not had the benefit of our conference beforehand.